Everyone wants to become a pastry chef until they actually find what it looks like on real life. The early mornings, the burns, the cakes that collapse right before the client came to pick up them. So if you are here because of Instagram make this look like a dreamy pastel-colored lifestyle, stay. Because I'm about to tell you what nobody tells about this. But if you still want this after watching this video, I'll give you an exact path on how to get them.
Brownie baking, paradisiac delight. Here, I will show you how to make delicious dessert at home. Stay with me.
In the next few minutes, I will walk you through what the job actually looks like day to day, the 3 real paths for this career, and which one is right for you. The skills that nobody tells you about, but you need them. And the one mistake that makes the most beginners quit the first year. Let's get into it. Let's start with the trust. Pastry chef is a physical job. You're on your feet for hours, often starting before sunrise because dough and laminated pastry need time to rest and be baked before a bakery even opens, which usually happens at 9 or 10 a.m. It's also precise work. Baking isn't like cooking, where you can taste and adjust as you go. A gram too much flour, 2 minutes too long in the oven, and that's all. The whole batch is gone and spot. If those trade-offs still sounds worse for you, it's really good. Let's talk about how you actually can get it. There are 3 real paths and each one fits a different kind of person. Path 1 is culinary school. This gives you structure, theory, techniques fundament, and often connections to internship. It's the fastest way to build a strong foundation, but it costs more money and time, usually 1 or 2 years. And also the really important moment that often in pastry schools you won't be able to get known about all the new inventions and techniques in the pastry field. The second path is working your way up. You start at the bottom. Preparation work, dishes, basic tasks in a real bakery or pastry kitchen, and you learn on the job. It's slower, but you get paid while learning, and you learn the business side of everything connected to desserts too, not just the technique. It can be amazing variant if you don't have an opportunity to go to a pastry school, and you will be learning step by step and also getting paid. Path 3, that's the path that I chose for me when I was 8 years old. Self-taught plus online plus practice. This is how a lot of people, including some pretty successful pastry chefs, actually started. None of these ways or paths is better or more suitable for you. The real question is which one matches your current time, money, and how fast you wanna move through career ladder. Here's what people don't talk about much. Technical skill is maybe half of what makes someone a good, successful pastry chef. Now I'll tell you 3 key skills you will need in order to become a successful and good confectioner or pastry chef. Skill number 1, consistency. Anyone can make one beautiful cake. The real skill is making the same cake taste and look identical the 5th time you make it. At 6 a.m. in the morning. Exhausted, under pressure, doesn't matter. The most important that the result, you're not making one table. You have to be managing 5 things, baking, cooling, and resting at once on a strict schedule. Tailor calmly. Something will go wrong constantly. The chefs who last are the ones who can look at the collapsed cake and just start again without spiraling and screaming. This skill is really important, and I'm studying until today how to do it calmly each time when something goes not by my plan. Here's the mistake when the 90% of people quit. People start out chasing the aesthetics. They want the pretty photos, the pastel kitchen, the day in the life content. And when the reality hits, the exhaustion, the failed batch, the slow process, they quit because the job doesn't match the fantasy they built in their head. Of course, with the help of social media or influencers they are following. The people who actually make it to the end are not the most talented. They're just the ones who fell in love with the process, with the fails, and started doing each day by day, improving step by step. The most importantly, it's not to be a fan only of the finished result. You have to be a fan of process. So before you commit to this path, ask yourself honestly, do you love the process or do you just love the idea of the process? That answer will tell you more than any culinary school ever will. If you are still with me, here's what I will actually do if I would need to start this week. Pick one classic technique that you don't know yet. A laminated dough, a stable buttercream, temperated chocolate, great meringues, whatever, and make it badly on purpose just to start. With practice, it will become better and better each time practicing. Then, make the same recipe 3 times in a row. Not 3 different recipes. The same one. That's how you build consistency, the skill we talked about earlier. And each time the result has to be stable or almost stable. Last but not least, find one person that's already doing this. In person or online. You can text me on email, Instagram, or any other platform you will find in the description. And just watch how they work, not just what they post. Also, you can ask their advices, or they can suggest you what to do or what to avoid doing based on their experience. If this gave you a most honest picture of how a pastry chef work and life looks like, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Also, I will be really happy to see your comments. I read everything by myself, and see you next week, because each week I make useful videos on YouTube, also with recipes, insights from my experience, or many other stuff. And by the way, write below in comments what you would like to see in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm Ronnie Bacon. See you next week.